Hey all, welcome back to the channel. It is another beautiful day here in Washington State. Thought I'd bring you a bit of a sharpening video today. I'm finally gonna sharpen the knife on my Leatherman, my Free T4. Yeah. Edge from factory left a lot to be desired. I've had this thing for going on 3 years now, and I've just never sharpened it, mostly because I carry a dedicated blade and I don't use this very often. But today we're going to sharpen it anyway. Now, from factory, this thing was ground at 2 different angles on either side. I don't know if that was intentional or not, but again, we're going to fix that today. Yeah, let's throw this thing on the Worksharp. I've got my Worksharp here. I got it set to, I got a paint pen marked 17 degrees because that's what I sharpen most of my knives at. Most of my pocket knives, that is. So yeah, we're gonna lay it back. I already marked it with Sharpie and hit it a couple times with the 400 grit just to see where it was at. And yeah, we're gonna have to take off some material. So yeah, let's get this thing put in the clamp and start out at 400. See if that's rough enough to take off enough material. I think it's going to be, because this is fairly soft steel. So yeah, I'm going to set you guys up and we'll get down to it. So what you're going to need is your stones, a sharpener, your knife, and a Sharpie. That's all I usually use. But yeah, beyond that, let's get started. Now, this blade has a very small flat, you can see, and that's about all we have to clamp onto. Should be enough, but just thought that was worth noting. Got a knife in the clamp. Alright, like I said, we're starting out at 400 grit. Hopefully you can see that. And we're just going to reprofile this thing. So let's get to it. Alright, so quick intermission. My goal right now is, I've marked it with Sharpie so I can see where material is getting taken off, and my goal is to make all the Sharpie go away, and that's when I know the edge angle is set to what I have it set to on the sharpener, which in this case again is 17 degrees. Yeah, once one side is complete, we'll move on to the other side, and then we'll start working down through the stones. And I'm not quite sure where I want to finish this thing at. We'll just kind of decide that as we go along, but yeah. Alright, let's get back to it. Okay, we got one side done, one side is set. Gonna go ahead and flip it over to the other side, and then we'll start working on honing the edge. So stay tuned. Okie dokie, now we're switching up to the 600. We got a nice burr going on, and yeah, time to hone it. Started at 400, moving to 600, then 800. We're going to see where it's at after 800. I might want to keep it a little bit toothy. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see how the progression goes. But let's get back to it. Okay guys, we're going to move up to the 800 now, so yeah, let's do that. Switching to the ceramic now. Alright y'all, I'm really happy with that edge. It's shredding paper. Let me show you once again. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm not going to complain. That's pretty good. Alright guys, I think that's going to do it for this little video. I'll try to keep it short and concise and interesting for you. Yeah, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Be happy to answer them. So yeah, this is a really simple way to keep your knife sharp, I think. If you put in just a little bit of effort, you get out quite a good edge, and it's not that time consuming, which is pretty important. So yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for the continued support in the channel. Again, happy Father's Day to all you fathers out there, and see you in the next one.